Hey there, enthusiasts of car detailing. Today, we're going to explore the intricate world of car detailing maintenance on wash teams. Now, we're not just talking about any ordinary team here. We're talking about the TKI detailing team. This skilled crew is dedicated to giving your car the royal treatment, and that includes a thorough maintenance wash. First off, let's look at the process of a maintenance wash and why it matters. A maintenance wash is more than just a quick rinse. It's a deep clean with specific steps aimed at removing road dirt and grime from your car without harsh chemicals or abrasive scrubbing. This ensures your paintwork remains glossy and protected. Now, onto the TKI detailing team. These guys are masters at their craft, using tried and tested techniques to give your car the best possible care. Their approach involves a careful blend of high-quality products and diligent application, techniques that work in harmony to protect your car's exterior while keeping it shining like new. So, if you're looking for exceptional car detailing services, consider reaching out to TKI Detailing. Their team of experts will ensure your vehicle is well cared for and maintained in top condition. Journey into the world of car detailing maintenance.